of now, I mean, all this COVID-19 time, we don't have a strict schedule how we're working. It's not like previously in the morning we diving 2 dives, and then if someone is doing afternoon or night dive, then we just coming to the dive center before having like a little bit of rest. Now we don't have any schedule at all. Whenever someone is requesting for the diving, we're just doing it. Like for example, last night around midnight I got a message from Daniel. Daniel is my student. You saw him on the episodes about the assignment and also advanced course. So Daniel just sent me a message that he's coming to Amed and he would like to do dives. So we're going for the late afternoon and a night dive. See you later. It's quite late already, like around 5 o'clock, but since we have a night dive, so we are not really limited. So we will go now. It's like a kind of sunset dive. The conditions today in Tulamben is like this. Probably close to the beach, the visibility is not the best, but since we are going a little bit out and a little bit deep, not really deep, around 25 meters, not deep, as there is no point to do deeper dives around here. So then it's kind of okay. So we have torches with us, so we're gonna have enough light anyways. And then we will come out, we'll do some 30-minute surface interval, and then we will do the night dive at Liberty back, or maybe we'll do some 40 minutes. There's something you have to understand. It's a kind of, everybody's doing this 1 hour surface interval. Well, that's not the rule actually. It's just to prevent any emergency situations. I mean about decompression sickness. You can, if the dive is not that deep, you can do even 15-minute surface interval, or even only 10-minute surface interval, and it's still fine. If you're planning 2 deep dives, then it's like a kind of, it's always better to stay on a surface a little bit longer, because then there's more nitrogen coming out, so the next dive is just simply longer. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.